Today Apple released iPhone 15 series and I was one of the Apple store. I just went there to pick up my own phones, and while I was there I brought my iPhone 15 Pro Max to film what's going on. And why would I not do this? I brought a thumb drive. I plugged it in so I'm able to record in log, record a lot of stuff in 4K 60 frames per second log. But the problem with this contraption is, actually this is really good because it sits on your hand better with this, but when you have the case on, it doesn't go through the case. That's number one. And the write speed, the read-write speed on this is not fast enough. So what you can do is you can get something like this. By the way, these are amazing if you're into shooting videos with your iPhones. This is fantastic. You can grab that and put something like this here, tighten this up. On top of that, something like this here. And then I found this no-name external drives. Who's triggered? Who did I trigger? Go from here to here. You can have a setup like this, maybe do it like that. Even this didn't go through the case, so you need to take the case off. So this case needs to be a little wider. And now you can record into this. And it gives you 144 minutes in 60 frames per second. But as you can see, this is a lot. A lot is happening. So I was thinking, can I make this a better, smaller contraption that I would like to use all the time? And guess what? I did. I grabbed one of these. This is like MagSafe sticker that you stick this on things that don't have MagSafe so that they stick on the mounts like this. But the thing is, this is built for other phones to stick on things, because what I want to do is I want to stick this onto my phone like this here. But that's not going to work because all of the magnets in this is upside down. So I took one of these out. Where's that magnet? I literally went one by one and flipped each because there's one spare somewhere here. This is like Adam Savage's, so untidy. What's going on? Anyway, so I went one by one and turned all the magnets in this upside down and put another 3M tape on it. So now this is the right way and this sticks to your phone. So what we're gonna do now is first of all put this on the phone. And then I'm gonna take this tape off. I'm gonna put this on the phone. And then, actually let's put the case back on. Put it here. Seems good. Some pressure on it. So now, there you go. My external drive is ready. Oh, here's the magnet. See these tiny magnets? Yeah. One by one, I flipped them upside down, and this one, I was able to, put them back into the place nicely. So one of them is just didn't fit back in there. It's fine. So I also got this cable from Amazon. I'll put links in the description box below. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this one here. Put the other end there. So there's this tiny gap that I don't like. And for that one, I brought a little bit of Velcro, if you will. A little bit of Velcro action here. Booyah! My setup is ready. Now I can shoot in ProRes and I have 144 minutes. And once I'm done, I can just take it off. And boom, transfer the file to my computer. Yeah, someone's gonna steal it and make it a thing, right? Yeah. All right, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I have an entire iPhone 15 review coming up. It's boiling. I'm doing a lot of tests. There are a lot of things I discovered a lot of things, and I'm really excited to share them with you. And I haven't seen any of them in any of the review videos I watched in the first wave. So yeah, they're coming. They're important, and I'm guessing you're gonna like them. What I want to say for now is the tetraprism lens. Wow, it's good. It's good. It's not like periscope lens at all. Okay, subs if you loved it, dubs if you loved it, and then I'll see you. I just love Dave today. I'll see you soon. Yeah. Okay. Bye.